Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to edit dark and brown filter using Lightroom Mobile App. Here are example photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Exposure -0.30. Contrast 10. Highlights -16. Shadows -36. Whites -100. And blacks -20. Next go to Color. Temperature 10. Tint 4. Vibrance -38. Saturation -28. Go to Color Mix. First go to Red color. Saturation 100. Go to Orange. Saturation 50. Go to Yellow color. Hue -4. Saturation -100. Go to Green color. Hue -30. Saturation -60. Go to Aqua. Hue 2. Saturation -66. And go to Blue. Hue 2. Saturation -16. And done. Next go to Effect. Clarity 10. Dehaze 14. Grain 6. Go to Split Tone. Hue 37 and Saturation 4 for shadows. And done. Next go to Detail. Noise Reduction 10. Color Noise Reduction 10. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to other photo. Copy settings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more presets.